Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel named as CAT2IIM by Manoj Mahajan. We'll continue with 200 plus QA Mind Boggling Concept Series. Today we are going to discuss a very good problem which appeared way back in CAT, and we are going to look at two different methods, and you should definitely enjoy those methods. So make sure that you watch the video till the end and do subscribe to the channel CAT2IIM by Manoj Mahajan if not done yet. And do share this video with as many CAT and OMETs aspirants so that they can benefit from it. So let's read the question out here. An airline has a certain free luggage allowance and charges for excess luggage at a fixed rate per kg that is given to us. Two passengers, Raja and Praja, they have 60 kg of luggage between them, which means total they have 60 kg with them. And they are charged as 1200 and 2400 respectively for excess luggage. Now they are saying that had the entire luggage belonged to one of them, then the excess luggage charge would have been rupees 5400. So we are going to look at two methods. So let me tell you the first approach, and the first approach is it through the options. So the options are very, very important when you're looking at the exam like CAT and the other exams too. So we're going to look at the options and we can easily figure out the answer. And then I'll tell you another wonderful approach that if you do not have the options, still you can answer with ease. And a lot of students are going to answer this question by framing equations. We are not going to frame any equation out here. So just let me know. See, Praja is paying how much? 2400 for the excess luggage. And Raja is paying how much? 1200 for the excess luggage. That is after removing the free luggage allowance. Now, one thing is very sure that the total weight between them is 60 and Praja is paying more. So one thing is very sure that the weight with the Praja would be more than half of 60, which is more than 30, because the payment done by Praja is more. So definitely Praja must have more than 30 kg of weight. So if you look closely out here, the options, first could be ruled out, second could be ruled out, and third can also be ruled out. So we are left with only two choices. So you can work with any one of the choice and you can get the answer. So let me show you that if I start working with fourth option, you can even work with fifth option also. You can get the answer by any of the option. What I mean by that, let's say if you work with one of the choice and the data does not match, then the left out would become the answer. Or if you pick up the option and the data matches, that would definitely be the answer. So let me pick up option 4 out here. So if I say with Praja, you have 35. 60 minus 35 if I do, then with Raja, you would have 25. This is the total weight with each of them. Now, remember one thing that the free luggage allowance is one of these choices out here. So one thing is very sure that if the weights are 35 and 25 with them, 25 and 30 should not be the free luggage allowance in case 35 and 25 are the weights with Praja and Raja. Now, if you look over here, the ratio in which the Praja and Raja has paid for the excess luggage is nothing but 2400 is to 1200, which is how much? 2 is to 1. So, which means after removing the free luggage weight, they would surely have the weight left out in the ratio 2 is to 1. So let me try with 20 first out here. So if I subtract 20 from 35, what do I get? 15, and 20 subtracted from 25, what do I get? 5. So is this ratio 2 is to 1? No. So this should not be the answer. 15, if I do the subtraction, so what do I get out over here? 35 minus 15, I get what? 20. 25 minus 15, I get what? 10. So what is the ratio? 2 is to 1, which is matching with the data also. So we could safely say that option 4 should be the answer out here. The assumption is correct. And with 35, what we are getting the free luggage allowance, that is 15 kg. So we are done with the first method. So you should definitely look forward to comment in the chat box if you have loved the method. And do watch the video till the end, because I'm now coming up with second method where I'm not going to focus on the options, because nowadays you do get questions in the CAT which are theta type in the answer. So let's say if you do not have these options, so I'm solving without the option. So let's see how we are going to do that. So it's not that tough also out here. Without any equations, we are going to look at. So let's understand out here. The two, Raja and Praja, together they are paying for the excess luggage is how much? 3,600. So this is actually the second approach which we are looking at. So 3,600 they have to pay, and they got free twice because Raja also did not pay for the free luggage allowance and Praja also did not pay. Now, if the entire luggage would have been with one person, so the payment is 5,400. So why it is 1,800 more? I'll tell you the reason. Over here, twice you got the free luggage allowance. Over here, you're getting only one free luggage allowance because the entire luggage is with one of the person. So can I say that this 1,800 is the price for the free luggage allowance? That's the extra which you are looking forward to pay. So now let's understand that you are paying 5,400 only and one free luggage allowance you have, right? Let's say if you do not have that free luggage allowance also, in that case, you were supposed to pay 5,400 plus 1,800. Why 1,800 I'm adding over here? Because that is the price for the free luggage allowance, which we figured out, right? So this is 7,200 you would have paid if there was no free luggage allowance. So 7,200 for how many kgs? If I look over here, 60. So we can figure out that the price, the rate, if I look over here, is nothing but 120 per kg. Now, with this data, we can easily figure out both the answers without knowing the options. So let me come to the weight of Praja's luggage and the free luggage allowance. So can you say the free luggage allowance would have cost you 1,800? So can I say the price 1,800 divided by what? 120 should give me the weight of the free luggage allowance, which is nothing but coming out to be 15 kg. So can I look forward to fill 15 in the theta question? So I'm just assuming that the options are not there. So 15 we are going to fill in. Now, if you want to find out the Praja's luggage, so Praja paid for excess luggage 2,400. So for 2,400 at the rate of what? 120. So can I get 20 kg? That is apart from the free luggage weight. So the total weight with the Praja would have been 20 plus 15. That is nothing but 35. So again, I have assumed this to be a theta question, the second approach. So we are going to fill in 35. So I'm sure that this is a wonderful approach. You would have surely loved it. So the only thing is that you need to keep follow the playlist, which is 200 plus QA Mind Boggling Concept Series. Soon I'll be coming up with the LRDI playlist also. And if you are interested to prepare for CAT 25, in that case, I have come up with CAT 25 and OMETs Super 60 batch starting from 31st of August 2024. So we can look forward to inquire more about it by dialing the number 9891565351, or you can send the message or WhatsApp on this number. So keep following the channel CAT2IIM by Manoj Mahajan and spread with as many CAT and OMET aspirants, because I'm coming up with a lot of free videos on the channel as well. Thank you so much.